Hey YouTube, this is Speed Doctor here. I just wanted to give you an update. I'm here at work on lunch and going over the news and everything that's happened just recently with the tornado and the path it took. It's unfortunate. Just a lot of people are struggling. Our hearts and prayers go out for those who've lost some loved ones and who are being affected by the massive tornado that hit. If those of you who don't know, it's went over 5 states, over 200 miles, one of the longest tornado paths that's ever, I believe that's been documented, but from the news I read. It's just so sad. I've never been in a tornado, but just hearing the sound of it from the videos and the amount of destruction it's caused, it's just very sad. And you know, a lot of people are struggling right now from that. And unfortunately, Kentucky seemed to be the state that was hit the worst. As you know, the Corvette museums in Kentucky, the Motorsports Park, and Bowling Green plant that makes the Corvettes. So, just wanted to give an update of what's going on from stuff I've read online, and for those who are interested to know. Good news is the Corvette Museum's open today, and so that's pretty good that they're up and running. This by no way diminishes those who are struggling by this video. I just wanted to just be informative, so if anybody gets a hold of this, we'll hopefully be able to help those. If you're interested in donating, there's a go to American Red Cross. I know they're doing some donations. You can donate to the relief fund. I'll put a link down below. And also, if you want to donate to NCM, National Corvette Museum, there's a link down below as well. Those are ways that I felt like a way for we can help those who are in need without physically being there. But like I said, the good news, Corvette Museum is open. The bad news with this is, of course, the track that looks like it took some severe damage from the photos. You can see that the front of the track is the roof just is pretty destroyed. The viewing deck where my family was watching us as I drove the Corvette, that looks damaged, and there's cars overturned. Corvettes look like some of the roofing is on top of them. I believe from some of the stuff I read as well that that's where they house some of the Corvettes. Also, at the Bowling Green plant was destroyed. Some of the roofs came off, and you can see kind of damaged some of the Corvettes as well, possibly. So, you know, the thing to think about too is that this is going to affect some of the production. Now, yes, there's other things more important, of course, and that takes first priority, everyone's safety. But the Bowling Green plant also did say that they are going to, stop production, I believe, this week, the first and second shifts, because safety is their top priority, which was I think a great thing to see and to hear, because that is first important, is everyone's safety. And of course, we love this American sports car. You know, we want it to come out, but the first priority is making sure everyone is okay. So that's going to delay the Corvette, the ones that are coming out right now that are produced, unfortunately. Not sure how time frame that's going to affect everyone. I just tell you, I feel like the Corvette just can't catch a break. I mean, you got the strike at the beginning, then you have COVID, and then you have parts issues with the transmission, waiting on parts to come in, the chip shortage, the recent wheel quality issue that's been monitored, and I believe has been beginning to be remedied for the lens, for the pitting in the wheels that they caught, which is great. They caught it before it actually got sent out to customers, but it's delaying those customers as well, and the production. And and now on top of it all, you have a tornado.